sky. When my pretty feet start to sway, you better turn around the other way. When the doubt starts creeping in, it's hard to let go of all instinctual patterns that I picked up from environment since a baby. Cut the negative self-talk and cut out my procrastination. Being sticky, stuck with those old habits, shut pace me to a new way of being, something to breathe new life in me again. Would I? Sometimes it's too much. I'm fucked up and clueless, stuck in the vortex, stuck in the vortex. Clueless, and life would be boring, empty but no hurting. 'Cause it's necessary to touch with the sky.